What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is another video, or an update video on the Statesman, so let's just get into it. Okay guys, so got it running right now because the water pump I changed, as you guys would have seen in the few videos. She's running nice and smooth now. Let's pop the bonnet. Sounds really nice. Doesn't sound, no knocking, no nothing, which is fantastic. But yeah, so all that's fixed. One less problem we need to think about. But yeah, so as you guys would have noticed, I got rid of that shelf. I just need to clean this up, which I might do soon. But yeah, so water pump's changed. While I'm here, actually, I might check the radiator. It's got a bit of water in it. I might need to grab some more coolant from the shop. Yeah, I'll close this up. Everything seems good under the bonnet. You guys might have just heard, sometimes the revs lift up, as you can see right there. It goes up, sometimes it lifts, which is probably not good, but I mean, it's not bad. It's not going up revs real high, it's just like going a tiny bit, halfway up to 1. But yeah, and the fuel gauge, that it does work. It just needs to be run a while and get driven. See there, that just lifted. But yeah, that lifts up after a while. I think it's just how old the gauge is. It's another thing that we've got. So the water pump, I was having a look at it, wherever it went. It is right in front of me. Where does it say? This is an actual GM one from the car when it first came out. Where was it? Right here. You might be able to see it. Oh, I think you guys are still zoomed in. Right. Oh, sorry guys. Let it focus. There we go. Oh, you can just see it. It says General Motors. But yeah, the bearings are stuffed in this thing. As you guys will be able to see, if this stops being blurry. But yeah, the bearings are stuffed in. It spins real fast. Like the fins on it, they're all right. Like they're not in bad nick or anything. They work well. Yeah. So that's pretty much it for that. But I just couldn't believe. Oh, there it says right there as well. General Motors. Yeah. So it's been in the car and it's real clean inside too, which I was really surprised about. Just the bearings. So that's pretty much rubbish. I can probably use some parts off it for spares, but I might get maybe some more bearings, but I don't know. Yeah, one thing I did buy recently from Clark Rubber that I don't know if I mentioned about to you guys, but yeah, so I got some pinch weld for the around like the tow bar there. So I got some pinch weld wherever that went. Here it is. Looks like licorice. So I got this big one. I think this was $9, $9.15 or something. This was like $8.80 or something. Pretty expensive for a meter each. But on the VT Commodore. We tested it on the VT Commodore, and it didn't really look like it would fit because the gap was smaller, but I don't really know, so I will take this part off there because there's the screws under there somewhere. Saw them the other day. But yeah, so I'm just going to be pinch welding around that. So yeah, just to make it look a bit neater. Yeah, car's come up really nice though. The only real bad things about the car is like that around the rear guard, that dent that I did, and just some of this like trim on the sides, but you can't really see that. Oh, and here, that comes out every now and then, just pops out. I am looking at getting the windows tinted in the next, probably, I don't know, a few weeks maybe. I don't know if I should wait till I get it registered or not, but I just want to get it done now. One less thing I need to think about for the roadworthy, because I don't know about the bubbles, if they allow all the bubbles on the back windows. I dare say they would, but just to make it look a bit cleaner. The cleaner the car is, the better, you know, you get in the roadworthy. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. But now I might just put you in a time lapse of me doing the tow ball, well, not tow ball, around the tow bar on the bumper. But yeah, so I might unscrew that real quick, and then yeah, I'll just take you guys on a journey with me. So yes, I'll get done. Okay guys, so I have popped it on. It's come up quite well actually. I mean, it's not the best job, but it sure does work. It makes it look a little bit more tidy. If it focuses, yeah, a little bit more tidy. You see them on cars, and like, I know a few Commodores, it's like cut like with a hacksaw, and it looks real rough, and like the tow bar pushes the bumper out, and then it pushes out the side here, so don't want that either. But also it's cut out nicely, so it's gonna, it will adjust over time. Like it will probably move a little bit, but it can be adjusted. Just clamp it a bit tighter, and yeah, so that looks good for now. I mean, it's come up real well. Just one more thing that makes the car feel like a car that's about to go back on the road, I guess. But yeah, yeah, so that's pretty much it. That's just the door over there making that noise, if you guys can hear that. But yeah, so tow bar's looking nice now. The bumper's looking nice. I didn't actually take it off because then the exhaust was right, like the bolts are right underneath the exhaust, and I couldn't be bothered mucking around, so I just, it took a bit, but I eventually got it on there, which is good. Yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. just a bit of an update video real quick, and showing you guys, oh, can't see me, and showing you guys of me putting that pinch weld. It's pretty cheap, it's an easy job. You just need to know what size your bumper or whatever you're doing on your car. But yeah, people do it on their quarter chops that they do on the back of the 4-wheel drives. But yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna try and post every week. Hopefully I can do that. Just get you guys a bit more content, and hopefully it builds my channel. So yeah, stay keen on the Statesman. Heaps more videos in the future. If you guys can at least get this video to at least 200 views in the next few days or week, I will hurry up and pop the sets. But yeah, because I might actually do it on the stock rim. I know it's probably not the best idea, but like, or even if I just get the tyres put onto some other rims that I don't care about. But yeah, because they're pretty bold. And yeah, the front's pretty much the same, as you can see down here. They're really worn, which ain't very good, but yeah, other than that, she's coming along good. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like the quick update video and all the videos that I've done so far. They will get better and better, and there'll be more of them. But first we just need to build our way up there. It takes time to build the channel, I know, but yeah, so if you guys could go like and subscribe, comment down below to see more, and yeah, make sure you go like, share, subscribe. Try and get this video to 200, and then we're going to pop some sets. So let's just do that, boys, and stay keen. So let's do it.